is rice.
This is what rice. You try, you try. And try to distinguish it. What is the taste?
Good, good. Good.
Sticky.
Sticky. That is cassava. Sticky cassava.
The taste is very nice.
Eat more, eat more, eat more. Ayan.
I will finish this one.
You already finished.
Speak Tagalog, Tagalog.
Sarap,
I
sarap.
can speak
Sarap, sarap.
masarap.
Masarap.
Did you make it?
No, I don't know how to make it. The breeder in here prepared it for you.
The coconut is very good with our
And there is also coconut milk inside.
So, you're using coconut milk.
Coconut milk and sugar.
Did you fry the what?
No, only the fresh coconut milk.
With it? And
Grated and steam.
you boil it?
Steam.
But very innovative. Very tasty.
Ay, binuang yan.
Yan, sumini.
You want to eat more?
You know, madam, in the country, in Pakistan, we have just like this, but we use, I believe, other kind of leaf. But it's not
What
sticky, just
what
like
leaf
this.
is this? What is leaf is this?
I think it's banana.
Very good. Banana. What
We
kind
have
of
this in
leaf?
Pakistan. Yeah, we have this in Pakistan. We call it urdu. Yeah.
Gordo daw.
It's a delicacy of Pakistan. Pakistan.
Kasama.
No, it's not cassava.
What kind of food?
It's grated from a kind of a coconut. Coconut. You get it, then they steam it. Just like puto. Just like puto.
Coconut in Pakistan.
Yeah, but imported. Because it's very hot. Pakistan is very hot at times. I like this because it's not so very sweet.
So, what can you say about this place?
The travel in Malunga is very far. Yeah. If you're going here, the road is getting smaller, and the one is very difficult. But I believe
It's not a road, it is a train.
but our driver is very you know, some of the driver is very rough.
Do you want to come back here?
Pangutan ako ng layuyab. May
Do you have your girlfriend with you?
No. I
But
don't-
Sir Kisa has many girls.
Do you like?
No boyfriend since
Ano, his
birth.
eldest, child.
No boyfriend since birth.
Yeah.
But
24 years old now.
she have a wife now. Until now, she is a very single. Until now.
No. Pastor Kisa has daughters. Because I asked you if you have no girlfriend.
So you're recommending?
I will recommend.
Siya recommend his own child to you. It's a great privilege because the father wants to recommend to you. Yeah, my daughter.
How old is your daughter?
I have 19 years old and 23. Which is which? 20 years old. How old are you?
What you're talking about is that looks like you're selling your daughter.
No, I'm not selling. I'm just introducing it to you. How old are you?
22 years old.
22.
Pakistani, Pakistani.
No, I'm just asking you. How old are you?
My age is 22.
22? 23?
2.
22. She's still studying, don't worry.
So, what did she study?
Or maybe the Sir Melkis. Sir Melkis' daughter is graduating already.
I know
I know her daughter. You know her daughter.
Hey, know very well.
You know very well.
Are you a missionary? Volunteer of
No,
channel.
I'm just only a volunteer. Because in my country, I'm a country, I travel many voices in my country, I'm just a photographer and videographer. So that I want to dedicate my skills in
So you went here.
mission.
Why did you choose Southern Mindanao Mission?
Because one of my friends
It is nice.
Do you know how to speak Ilonggo?
yeah, I know just to speak Ilonggo, but just a little bit only.
You know,
But I can understand. I can understand. But
Your mother is Filipino?
yeah, my mother is Filipino.
That's why.
Ang profile niya is that
your father.
My father is Bisaya.
dili na dito kahit
Ganyan.
Lindo sa taga-suratan
Hindi, isa lang ba? Sige, ano ba? Okay. Sige, okay.
Dili man siya mag-update.